Did you know that dolphins call each other by name? Like, seriously, they do? And it's freaking adorable. Each dolphin develops a unique whistle that acts like a personal identifier, and other dolphins use that exact sound to get their attention. It's like calling someone by their name across the ocean. Researchers at the University of St. Andrews in Scotland recorded the whistles of 24 different dolphins over the course of a year. They found that each dolphin has its own signature whistle, and that they can recognize themselves in these recordings. Marine biologist Dr. Andy Brown said, "We've known for a while that dolphins have names for each other, but this is the first evidence that they can recognize themselves in a lineup. This is amazing. Dolphins are so smart. They know who they're talking to."